guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruchi Kumari and today we are going to do an interesting product review which you have already seen in my YouTube topic and the thumbnail. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before I get started, I want you all to watch this video till the very end. Give it a huge thumbs up if you like it, and definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you do that, I'll try to be more frequent. I know I'm not the most frequent over here right now, but I'm going to try, okay? So let's get quickly started. As you can see, I've got a lot of pimples. Not a lot, I would say, just one, two, some, okay? But that is mainly because mask. We're wearing a lot of mask. So yeah, because of that, today I decided to review this particular mask, which is called the Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. Okay, so I received this quite a few days back, like I think it has been 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks or so. So, and you know what, 2-3 years back when I recently started watching YouTube videos, a lot of YouTube videos, and every other blogger was talking, every other YouTuber was talking about this particular clay, and I really wanted to buy this, but I think back then it was not available on Amazon.in. It was on amazon.com. okay, so I didn't order because of that. And look, I received it. Yes, I did it. So yeah, this is the Indian Healing Clay, and the main ingredient is, which is like specially tagged here, as you can see. Focus. Yeah. So the main ingredient over here is calcium bentonite, and this is said to be really effective on your pimples. Okay, it works like magic. And you know what I used to see a lot of people doing back in the day was they used to give a nice steam to their face, like steam, and then they used to apply, so that, you know, it cleanses your pores nicely, because your pores will expand with the steam, and then it used to cleanse your pore very nicely. Although I have not done that today, so I'm just going to apply on a nicely cleansed face, and that's about it. I have not steamed. So with that, they definitely sent me their apple cider vinegar, and I absolutely love apple cider vinegar, by the way. So I already, a few days back, I got like a 750 ml ka bottle, so I did not bother to open this. Okay, but I absolutely love apple cider vinegar. I drink it in the morning and it's like a normal drink for me. Initially I hated the smell and the taste of it, so now I'm pretty much used to it. For everyone out there, please try to include apple cider vinegar in your diet if you can. It's really good. Okay, not only for your skin, for your metabolism, for everything, for your health altogether. Also, one more thing, if the lighting fluctuates a little bit, please note that it's very dull outside. It's really dull outside. It's like it's going to rain. It's about to rain, so yeah, don't mind that. Now I have used this once, and once or twice I think I've used it already. Okay, and third thing is that this particular powder can be used as a spot corrector. So you can apply it directly on your pimples and you can leave it, because it absorbs all the oil. Okay, and yeah, that will leave your pimple dried up the next morning. So this can be used as a spot corrector as well, but today we are going to use it on our entire face. And I don't know, but this will easily last you for, like, I don't know, a year. Like for me, I definitely think this will last me for a year. Okay, so there's a lot of it, and the MRP is 1440. Oh my god, look at the light on my face. Now that's the weather change for you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, so what they have recommended on how to use: mix clay with equal parts of raw apple cider vinegar or water, okay, and stir the mixture well to smooth out the paste or clay. So I think I'm going to use apple cider vinegar only. I dropped a lot. Let's mix a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm not going to probably mix equal parts because I'm not really sure. I had applied apple cider vinegar once, you know, like two years back, or like raw apple cider vinegar on my face, and it was red within a few seconds. Okay, and it was burning. So I don't think I'll apply equal parts. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix a little bit of water as well, like dilute the apple cider vinegar. So I've taken really little, and now I'm gonna put water. You know, it's bubbling. There are a lot of bubbles. Let's mix. I forgot all my brushes, so I'm just gonna do the same old way, with my hand. So this is what it looks like. It has been smoothed, and now I'm gonna apply. One very good thing about this mask is, unlike all the others that I have been using or I have used, this one dries really quickly. So I really like that. It's like you need to feel that pulsating effect on your face, only then you're supposed to remove. So yeah, I'm pretty sure your face will get a little red after this, so don't be, you know, in shock if it does. Yo, mandatory rule, I have to drop something on my pants. You know, with fingers it's like super easy to apply, and I really like the consistency. It's really smooth. I don't like super gooey masks. You know, I see some Instagrammers posting like they are dropping all over their face, and I'm like, that's not for me. That's really not for me. So be careful around your eyes. I don't think you should really go near your eyes, because this one will suck the oil out of your face, and your eyes, the area near your eyes are completely dry, so do not even take that chance. And that's it. Okay, feel your face pulsate. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Slight redness of the skin is normal. They are clearly telling that slight redness is normal. You will get it, but it will disappear within 30 minutes. And this clay removes impurity and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing, world's most powerful facial. So yes, we have done world's most powerful facial, and I'll be right back after 10 minutes after this is dry, and I'll show you if my face has really turned red, because I think my face does turn red a little bit, but it's only little. So this is dried. You can see it is completely tight. It's a tad bit itchy, and I'm gonna wash it right now. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks and how it cracks up. Like, see, ow. I'm just gonna wash, and I'll come and I'll show you how my face looks. Whew. Okay, I just washed it and I'm back. And yeah, this is not the easiest mask to wash off. You really need to put some effort. Once it's dry, it's like clay. It's literally like clay, so it takes a lot of time to come off. But I think it cleansed pretty nicely. You can see redness around my face for sure. I think you can see here. You can see here, because I am also feeling a little bit irritated over there. So as they have mentioned, I'm definitely going to give this more 30 minutes to see what happens to my face, and I'm just gonna let you know that time that you know how it looks, because right now you can see this is a little dark, this is a little red. I mean red, a little bit red, and a little, my face has a little tingling sensation as well, I can say. So yeah, I feel it definitely must have worked. Let's see if it has worked on my pimples. But the root cause of these pimples are not again anything else but the mask. So if I'm going to wear a mask again, I don't think it will have a lot of effect. As much as I try to keep my mask clean all the time, but you know, sometimes it just happens because you're walking here and there. There's a lot of dust and sweat that's accumulating inside, and then on top of that you're wearing your mask, so you cannot avoid it, and it's completely fine. I do not mind these pimples a lot, actually, but I'm just saying that we should see what happens. Previously, when I used this, my pimples actually disappeared within 1 or 2 days. It completely dried them out, and not only me, I tried it on one of my friend as well. So yeah, it seems to work really nicely, but you have got to try it yourself. So why not go ahead and purchase it on Amazon? Okay, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can definitely go ahead and purchase this. This is one of the best masks which is available all across the world, not only in India. And you know, you have a lot of reviews on this. If you do not trust my review, you have a lot of reviews on this, so you can go and watch them as well. Okay, secondly, I would just like to mention that I don't think this is meant for sensitive skin, because I'm from oily skin type. Yeah, I am more or less oily. Now I can say I'm combination. No, I'm more or less oily skin type, and then it made my face red. Okay, so if you're sensitive skin, you have sensitive skin, I would like to suggest you to stay away from this. But if you want to go for it, I definitely recommend a patch test. Okay, and if you're a sensitive skin type, please do not mix it with apple cider vinegar. That is like a big no-no. It's not at all meant for you. Okay, so just don't go and touch this with apple cider vinegar. Apart from that, I think everyone needs to do a patch test, not only sensitive skin type people. So everyone needs to do at least one patch test to see if it actually works for you, or if it's giving you a lot of irritation, lot of redness, then I don't think you should go for it. But if it works for you, well and good. Definitely try this mask. Why I'm telling you, it has major benefits. It works on your acne. It will minimize your scars as well over time. Thirdly, it is super inexpensive according to me. I know 1440 sounds like it's almost 1500. It sounds a lot for a mask, but can you blame? Like, this is the quantity. I think it's a half kg or 250 grams. So yeah, this is 500 grams. So you're getting so much of product, and 1500 for half kg is really inexpensive. Like Glam Glow masks are like 4000 for what, 10 grams or 20 grams. So yeah, instead go for this. This will definitely work on your scars as well as cure your current pimples. So yeah, it's a big thumbs up for me. And if you are a big fan of apple cider vinegar, I would like you to try the apple cider vinegar also, because it comes with mother. I've used a lot of apple cider vinegar, so I know this one is a good one without even using it. Trust me. That's because I know how good apple cider vinegars are. If you're a big fan of it, just go for it, try it, you will definitely love it. And that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, stay tuned for the next videos, and I shall be right back. Bye bye.